So when you're on the road, you got to do laundry, obviously. I have found that RV park laundry is usually either super expensive, or if it's kind of like a mom and pop shop, a lot of times laundry machines don't work. So you have to go into town anyway. I hate going to the laundromat. It's like the worst, and it takes forever. Do you guys want to go to the laundromat? Does that sound like so much fun? What do you think? Yeah? I am dorky and like to collect these quarters too, so it is always kind of fun to find new ones. Possible. I always try to air dry kind of bulkier things, save some quarters, because those would take forever in the dryer. Right, bud? So that ended up being 2 hours of time and 36 quarters spent to do the laundry at the laundromat in town. And the laundry is now done. Laundromat tips: make sure you got quarters, number one. That's very important. A lot of times those change machines are broken, which is very inconvenient. So you can go to gas stations and ask them for quarters, or you can go to like a grocery store, the customer service, or you could be really annoying and like use a debit card and get cash back, but ask for rolled quarters. So there are a lot of places you can get quarters, but it's not always very convenient. And number two, find something to do while the washer and the dryer is going, because it can be a long time and it can be kind of boring. So I like to stay active, so I usually go for a walk and explore things in town. I bring my dogs with me, then we come back and do the dryer and do it again. I always see a lot of people reading books and stuff, but you can kill two birds with one stone and get your workout in for the day and the laundry in for the day. I think number three is have a good attitude, because it usually makes me really crabby. And if I am already crabby and then I go and do it, it's like every little thing is very annoying. So you definitely have to have time in your schedule to go and like a good mindset. Otherwise, can be a very tedious chore.